Welcome to the step-by-step assembly guide for the Prokan Infinity Argentine Grill. Before we begin, place all components on a flat, even surface. Please wear gloves for safety and make sure the working area is clear and stable. Start by attaching the legs to the bottom shelf panel using the provided screws. Next, install the reinforced bracket onto the frame of the cart for added stability. Carefully flip the cart over and install the 4 casters at the bottom. Flip the cart upright again. Now attach the leg braces by first securing the top screws on each side. Then install the bottom screws to fully stabilize the frame. With the help of another person, carefully place the grill head onto the cart. Secure it using the provided screws, and ensure all are tightened properly. Next, install the side shelf and tool hooks on the designated side of the grill. Install the left upright tube as shown, and secure it with screws from underneath. Attach the firebox onto the coal pan assembly. Carefully place the fire bricks onto the coal pan. Ensure all bricks are oriented correctly and evenly spaced. Install the right upright assembly in the same manner. Slide the grate tray into the upright assemblies. Attach the spindle and top rail to the upright frame. Now, install the sprocket handle and wheel assembly. Please pay close attention to the sprocket orientation. It must match the reference image exactly for proper function. Place the looped ends of the cables onto the bracket tabs as shown. Place the cooking grates into the tray. Please note, the rear side is slightly higher than the front to channel fat toward the grease tray. Place the grease trap in its position, followed by installing the accessory holder. Install the door handle onto the front panel as shown. Place all included accessories in their designated locations. Your Prokan Infinity Argentine Grill is now fully assembled and ready to bring open fire cooking to life. Enjoy unforgettable flavors and moments with your Prokan Infinity Argentine Grill. Prokan, your backyard, their jealousy.